we will make an app and add two numbers. Let's start a new Android Studio project and select empty activity. Let's name a project as add numbers. You can change the packaging according to your wish. Then you will see here two default files. One is .xml and the other is .java. So first we'll design the layout of our app, and that can be done through the .xml file. Here also you will see three options. One is the code, other is the design view. So first, let's design the layout. You should delete the default hello world text view, and let's tag and drop one number text and adjust its constraints. Now let's drag and drop another one. Drag them above also according to your design. Now let's add a button. Follow the same steps of adjusting the constraints. And at the end, let's add a text view. You can increase its size. Okay, now let's change the IDs. First select the number view and you can change the ID to edt underscore text1, and let's write a hint statement as enter number. Now let's select this and rename its ID as edt text2 and write let's select the button and change its ID to btn add. We can change the text also from button to add. Here in the text view, let's change the ID to db answer and write the text as answer. So now the layout of our app is ready, and we will code the Java file in the next video.